Get a fucking job or get out. I fucking punched him in his mouth. Now I said, I better get a job. Now I worked about 28 hours a day on a construction job. You know. You seen that fancy jumbotron up there in Times Square? I didn't have nothing to do with that, but I worked down the street from there, putting in a stop sign. Oh boy, there's a spot, you know. James Dean was a big smoker. I met him once. Nah, I didn't. I just told my friends that. Shh. I'm a little drunk inside. What was I saying? Oh yeah, college. Fucking waste of time. All you fucking kids going to school and shit, getting your fancy degrees. What you gonna do? Huh? I make 6 times. I think about 6 times. I'm not good at math. About 6 times as much money as you a fucking year in just one day. I'm not gonna. I'm done.